Hi guys, I'm really just trying to set up this camera. If I show you how it is positioned, it's quite awkward, but let's get this out of the way. But I'm packing my trip. What am I saying? I'm packing because I have a trip tomorrow with my sisters and my friend. We are going to Mexico and Colombia, and I don't know why. Not that I don't know why I left it to the last minute, because that's what I do. And yeah, tomorrow's the trip. Ideally, we are supposed to be going to be in the air by this time tomorrow, and we have to leave in approximately, what's the time? I think 12 hours, and I haven't packed anything. Like, I've seen the itinerary, I know what we're doing, kind of like a big understanding of what we're doing, but I haven't like sat down to say, okay, I want to pack this dress for this day. So let's get packed together. Everything is everywhere. My luggages are out, my sister's luggage is out. I have like a whole situation going on here. So this is my footwear, that is my bag. They're not packed. And then I have kind of like my bags that I want to wear at the back. But let's get ready for Mexico. So this is me the morning of. I spent all night packing, and I would say I did get a lot done. This is just one box. I need to just zip everything up, and we will be on our way to the airport very soon. So Kosi bought a starter for our holiday, and she's coming in strong, guys. She said no mercy.
Your holiday, everyone's getting confirmation. Okay.
Love it, love it. There's my trusty content creator. Potatoes, tomato sauce, broccoli, and something. But I know from experience that I do want to add some salt and pepper to my I do want to add some salt and pepper. That's why I just, oh, yours looks so good. Guys, that was his food. This is crazy. What? So we are going to be on our way to the hotel now, guys. It's been a long day. It's been a long 11 hours.